For many families, moving to Spain isn't just about shipping household goods. It's also about coordinating dozens of life events at the same time. Selling a house, ending a lease, starting a new family, booking flights. The secret to reducing stress is creating a timeline that works for you. Welcome back to our podcast. Your move doesn't have to happen all at once. One common misconception is that everything has to happen on the same day. In reality, successful international moves are carefully coordinated. Your packing date, pickup date, travel plans, and housing arrangements all work together. The more flexibility you have, the easier it is to adjust if plans change. Think beyond moving day. Ask yourself a few important questions. When do you need to leave California? When will your home be available in Spain? Will you need temporary accommodations? Will you need storage before or after shipment travels? Answering these questions early helps your relocation specialist recommend the best plan for your situation. Communication is key. Life happens. Home closings get delayed. Flights change. Job start dates move. That's why staying in regular contact with your moving company is so important. Small schedule changes are much easier to manage when everyone is informed in advance. Moving from San Diego to Spain is a major milestone, but it doesn't have to feel rushed. A well-planned timeline gives you flexibility, reduces stress, and helps make the transition smoother for everyone involved. If you're ready to move to Spain, give us a call at 844-651-7050 or check out our website, movertospain.com.